Field Agent used to be my go-to app. I would do it consistently every day, but lately it's been slow. Like open the app and literally nothing. So the real question is Field Agent still worth it in 2026? I've done thousands of these gigs over the 8 years that I've been using this app. I still do it almost every day, but things have definitely changed. It used to be super consistent and there was a lot of gigs and they actually paid really well. And now it's hit or miss. The first thing that I noticed is in general, there's just fewer gigs. There used to always be gigs on this app when I lived in New York, and now when I live in Florida, I would open the app and there'd be more gigs than I could possibly do in one day. And I would be able to time it and know that the first whole beginning of the month, like the first 2 or 3 weeks of the month, will be super busy. And then it would slow down a little bit towards the end. And then the last couple of days, there would be like no gigs. Now it's still pretty busy on the first and second of the month, but I'm filming this video in the fifth, and today and yesterday was super slow. Maybe I did 1 or 2 gigs in the whole day. The next thing that I noticed is the gigs are getting reserved so fast. As soon as they drop and I refresh it and then I go to reserve it, it says it's taken. You probably have noticed this if you've done a couple lately, that you go to reserve it and it's gone. It almost feels like the app is broken and there's no gigs and it just is impossible to get one. It's not. It's just that this app is so popular now that as soon as the gig drops, if somebody gets it before you refresh it, then they have the gig. It's first come, first serve, and there's just a larger volume of people on the app. It depends which market is saturated. I'm sure in some places there's no one that does field agent, or hopefully in your area, you could do all of the field agent jobs. But here where I live, and I'm really good, I made a whole video on how to reserve these faster, when you should refresh, how to refresh. But still, it's hard for me to get jobs. The next one is the pay has gotten significantly lower. When this first started, when I first found out about it, it would be $5, $6, $7, all the way up to like $12. A $5 gig would be low paying, a $4 would be considered really low paying. And then after a while, it got consistent that most gigs were just $3, and which wasn't that bad. Most of them are still pretty worth it because if you could get in and out pretty fast, they don't take that long. You're passing by the store anyway. You have other gigs at the store. $3 isn't bad, but a lot of them have gone down to $2. I thought it was a glitch in the app. I didn't think they could go down to $2, but they do. There was one for avocados, and yeah, it was super easy. You had to go there, take like 2 or 3 pictures, literally pretty much like walking in and out, taking a picture or two. It was not that much work, but still $2 makes it kind of not worth getting out of the cart to do. And yeah, if the $2 ones sit on the app for a while and no one does them, then they'll go to 3. They could even go to 5 and above. But in general, the pay has gotten lower. And certain gigs that used to be consistent, I haven't seen in a while, like the automotive batteries and the automotive fluids. Stuff like that, I just feel like there's less apps, maybe less demand. But there are some things that you could do to still make the app worth it in 2026. Number one is check the app a lot. Check it throughout the day. Check it in the morning. Check it when you have downtime, just or you're on your phone, you're bored. Check it and reserve it, and then stay home or do whatever until you have enough gigs. Then go out and do them to actually make it worth it. You could have these reserved for up to 4 hours. That's what I do. Unless I'm out doing delivery apps, then in my downtime with delivery apps, I'm just refreshing the app and reserving. If you're not checking multiple times throughout the day, you're missing out. Other apps like Observa and Mobi, they'll drop once a day if there are any, but this app will drop consistently throughout the day. Next is go to bundled stores and clusters, either shopping centers that have a lot of gigs or one store that has 5 or more gigs. Even if they're $3, even if there's a $2 one in there, it could still be worth your time. You could still be doing decent hourly if there are 10 gigs, like which I've seen at Sam's Club and BJ's pretty often. Next is plan to be busy the first of the month, the second of the month, the third of the month. Like the first 5 days of the month will be the busiest, and just expect for it to get slower towards the end of the month. And the biggest tip is don't rely on just Field Agent. You should definitely be multi-apping with Observa and Mobi because a lot of the stores will have gigs on all 3 apps. You could pair it with DoorDash runs, Instacart runs, because you're already passing by these busy areas. And if you have downtime with Uber Eats, oh, there's a $3 gig a couple minutes away, it might be worth it instead of just sitting in a random parking lot waiting for an order. If you want to see me compare all of the similar apps to Field Agent, check out this video over here.